FlexSim has just introduced an exciting new capability, Submodels. We'll show you what it is, how it works, and what it will mean for your factory simulations. A submodel is made up of a container object, all the 3D objects inside that container, and all the dependencies needed for the container to function within a simulation run. These dependencies could include process flows, tables, lists, and more. Once you export this submodel, you can import it and use it in another model. Simply drag out the container, and all its required process flows, tables, and other dependencies will be automatically added or merged into the model. Here's a simple work cell in a container. To turn it into a submodel, add the Submodel Export tool in the toolbox and choose the container. You'll see a list of dependencies associated with the container, with options to choose which dependencies are exported and adjust how FlexSim handles any conflicts. Congratulations, you have a submodel. To use the submodel, add the Submodel Import tool in the toolbox and specify the model file that contains your submodel, and also the name of the specific Submodel Export tool within that model. You can now drag in instances of your submodel into the main model, creating a copy of the submodel container and automatically adding or merging the dependencies. By the way, there's no movie magic here. Our submodel pushes objects in its queue to a list, so no new connections are needed for the crane to pick up objects from it. I just dragged it out, moved it into place, and it works. To update a submodel, you just need to make changes to the original model file containing the Submodel Export tool. Once you save your changes, you can go to any model that imports the submodel, right-click on the Submodel Import tool in the toolbox, and select Update Instances from Source. All the submodel instances will be updated with the latest changes, so you can also check a box in the submodel import to do this every time you open the model, as long as the source file has changed. So what does this all mean for you? This is now the easiest way for FlexSim users to create reusable components to quickly create larger and more complex simulation models. If a member of your organization creates a highly customized simulation object or work cell, your entire organization can use and reuse it, and even benefit from future updates to the object. This also allows you to split the work between multiple individuals who can build components of models and assemble those components into larger simulation models. Add in FlexSim's recent Vault integration, and we're moving toward a future where organizations can easily manage an entire library of submodels representing the machines, work cells, and production lines that make up your factory. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy using submodels in FlexSim.